Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys. Ang 5 new pence ng United Kingdom, mayroong taon na 1975. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history nito guys. The 5 pence coin of 1975 from the UK or United Kingdom has a interesting background as it reflects the decimalization of British currency and the ongoing evolution of coinage. Key features of the 1975 5 pence coins. Materials: the coin was minted in the copper nickel, 75% copper, 25% ang nickel, giving it a silver-like appearance. Mayroon timbang na 5.65 grams at ang kanyang diameter naman ay 23.59 mm. Ang kanyang thickness ay 1.78 mm. Mayroon siyang edge na mild with ridges or ridge. At ito yung ating overs guys, ang features of portrait of Queen Elizabeth II designed by the Arnold machine. This iconic effigy shows the Queen wearing the guards of the Great Britain and Ireland tiara. At ito naman guys, ang ating reverse displays a crown thistle, the national emblem of Scotland, designed by Christopher Ironside. The value 5 pence, the value 5 and the word of new pence appear alongside the design. Historical context: decimalization on British currency. The UK or the United Kingdom transitioned to a decimal currency system in 1971, replacing the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. The 5 new pence coin was introduced in 1968, 3 years before the decimalization, as a replacement for the shillings. Both coins were equivalent in value and circulated alongside each other until the shilling was demonetized on 1990. 1975 coin age. The 1975 pence coins was part of the original large 5 pence series. The phrase new pence on the reverse was used from 1968 to 1981 to distinguish decimal coins from free decimal ones. From 1982 onwards, the phrase was changed to 5 pence. Demonetization and redesign. In 1990, the coin size was reduced to make it a lighter and more compact. The large version, including the 1975 coin, was demonetized and withdrawn from circulation in 1993. And the collectability: the 1975 5 pence coins is relatively common, as millions were minted for the circulation. It holds limited value for collectors unless in uncirculated condition or proof condition, where its value may rise highly above face value. This coin stands as a symbol of the Britain and transition to a modern currency system, and reflects a period of significant change in the nation's monetary history. So yun guys, ang napakagandang informasyon guys at history sa baryang ito guys ng United Kingdom na 5 new pence, meron taon ng 75. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.